Hi, this is Chuck with ABR Industries. I'm proud to reintroduce a cable into our lineup, which is the ABR174 cable. It is a 0.1 inch OD cable, and we've made some critical changes to it to improve some of the physical performances and not sacrifice anything in comparison to, say, a 316 that you're used to. So let's dig in a little bit further. So the 174 product is a 0.1 inch OD. It is designed to compete with the 316 product as far as the size goes, which means the insertion loss is going to be generally the same as you would see with a 316 or a 100 series product. It's designed to be very lightweight. This will be our lightest product at less than 3 ounces for a 25-foot section. Connector options are going to be available online, but you can use either the FME adapter system that I'm showing right here, or you can go ahead and just use native connectors such as BNCs, TNCs, and connectors to also fit onto the cable. So with the 174 product, one of the key benefits and the reason why we went to this was to make a highly flexible PVC product. It is very competitive with the 316 and the 100 series as far as insertion losses go, which generally means about 1 dB for a 35-foot section at HF. Gets a little bit higher as you go higher in frequency. However, the physical is really where the differences come in, where this product is much softer. It is easy to bend and twist, doesn't have the memory issues that you see with the 100 or the 316 product. It is still rated for outdoor applications and being UV resistant. So none of those characteristics have changed. So another benefit of this product is it's economically viable in the sense that it's a third of the price of the 100 series and about half of the price of the 316. So this will help save a little bit on the pocketbook as well. To wrap up a little bit, we have the 174 product. It will be available online as soon as you see this video. We also continue to offer the 316 cable, which is designed for a little bit higher temperature applications, vehicles, airplanes, so on and so forth. And then finally, don't forget, we do offer colored wraps. This will be available for not only the 316 that you see here, but also for the 174 product in a wide variety of different colors. You can see all this under our colored cable assembly online. You can also call us at 713-492-2722 or visit us at abrind.com.